But in that progress, which is genius, we've just forgotten that we're a part of nature. Do I think that the confusion with food has been placed there deliberately to sell rubbish? Well, one thing that I know for sure is that fast food shouldn't be called food. That word shouldn't even be in the vocabulary of processed food. That's the first one. Is it deliberate? I don't think it's deliberate. I've got no food fight. There's no deliberate, I don't believe it's deliberate. I just think that the return of the Industrial Revolution and the induction to steel and to blenders and all the things and things going fast and making food processed quicker is not done deliberately, it's just progress. But in that progress, which is genius, let's think about it, let's not put that down, it's human genius, we've just forgotten that we're a part of nature. We've just forgotten, that's all. And I'm here to remind you of that.